Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Boost Mobile. So if you guys want a free tablet from Boost Mobile, y'all guys need to check out this deal here from Boost Mobile. Y'all guys can get a free TCL tablet as a part of the holiday sale. So if you guys want to check this out, a link will be down below. So I don't know how long this deal is gonna last, so get it while you can. So y'all guys will get a free TCL tablet right there. It's a very nice looking tablet, budget tablet, you know. I don't even know what the name of the tablet is. I'm sure it'll tell us somewhere on the page. I'm sure it'll tell us what the name of the tablet is. So yeah. So anyways, y'all guys get a free tablet, which is really cool. Y'all guys will get 6 months of data for $90. So you guys will pay $90 for 6 months of data, which is 5 gigabytes per month. I don't know if it's hard capped or what. You guys will also get free shipping as well, and like I said, it's $90. It's 66% off. You're saving $180. So pretty cool there. There's the tablet right there. Very nice looking tablet, budget tablet, you know. So it should do you pretty well for what it is. It has like a textured back to it, I think. So pretty cool. It says save on 6 months of tablet data, 5 gigabytes of 4G data, cellular data, and Wi-Fi, internet hotspot up to 10 devices. So the 5 gigabyte plan is usually $15 a month. So you're saving 60% on 6 months of tablet data, which is pretty nice. And of course, how's it work? It's pretty simple there. Sign up for 6 months of 5G for 5 gigabyte data. Get a free TCL tablet. Access your account. Use your account information sent to your email to sign in and set up your account. Enjoy your service. Insert your SIM card and update your account settings to start using your Boost Mobile service. And they got some reviews here on the tablet. And it is the TCL Tab Lite. That's the name of the tablet that is being offered for free. Which this is a budget tablet, so it should do pretty well for what you guys are going to do it for. So here's some reviews. Here are some specs on the TCL Tab Lite. You guys have it. I don't know if that battery is incorrect or not. It says 1080 milliamps, which I'm pretty sure that's a typo. You guys get up to 20 days of standby time. Video streaming up to 7.2 hours, 8.5 hours on 3G, and 9 hours on Wi-Fi on video streaming. Video playback up to 10 hours. Charging time up to 3.5 hours. That's how long that's how long it will take to charge the tablet. It's 3.5 hours. Does have a big ass battery in it. It's not 1080 milliamps. It's not. That's way too fucking small. So yeah, if you guys want the full specs on this tablet, I will have that link below. I'll try to find the full specs for it. Memory 32 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, micro SD card slot up to 256 gigabytes. So take advantage of that. You guys will get about 19 gigabytes available to use. So you guys will need to use that micro SD card. You guys get a MediaTek quad-core 2 GHz processor. Y'all guys get a 5 megapixel rear camera, fixed focus, video capture 1080p at 30 frames, video playback 1080p at 30 frames, front camera the front camera is 5 megapixels LCD flash, basic screen flash, fixed focus, video capture 1080p at 30 frames. It runs Android 12, which is pretty good for a budget tablet like this. Your connectivity options include Wi-Fi 8 to 211 APG-N and AC Type-C for charging. 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. That doesn't come with the micro SD card. You'll have to get your own micro SD card. It does not come with one. It takes a nano SIM card, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. So you can use this. You can use this as a mobile hotspot device to power 10 Wi-Fi devices, up to 10 Wi-Fi devices, which is pretty cool. Screen 8 inches, 1280 by 800 pixels, HD. It has I'm not even gonna put now that it has some type of glass on there. Dimensions 2.2. Your dimensions on the TCL tablet is 8.24 inches height, 4.93 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. Other features include accelerometer, GPS, Lite, IR, custom pin, pattern, and password. So pretty cool there. And that's on my Boost 1 or whatever. So if you guys want to do that, I will have a link for that as well if you guys want to check that out. So yeah, if you guys want to get a free tablet, check out the link below. And if you guys want the full specs, the link will be down below as well. So yeah, the TCL tablet is a budget tablet. It's a very nice looking tablet. It has decent specs for what it is, a budget tablet. So yeah, you can use cellular data obviously, and you can use Wi-Fi with this as well. So pretty nice there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.